everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sids Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the overlapping join while knitting. Now this is suitable for when you are about ready to run out of yarn and you need to attach your second ball of yarn to your project. Now this is not a color changing method. I will be using two different colors in today's tutorial so that you can see exactly how this join works. As you see, I have already got a swatch started here and my yarn is about ready to run out. I probably have a good 2 to 3 inches left. So before my yarn runs out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my strand of yarn that will be for my second ball, and I am just going to overlap it with the strand of yarn that is already attached to my project. So like such. So they should sit parallel. And now what we're going to do is we are going to continue working pattern, which I'm just doing a stockinette stitch. And I'm going to knit both of those strands together as such. And you want to knit about 2 to 5 stitches, just depending on whatever you prefer. And then you can continue carrying on to the one strand that is attached to your second ball, which I'm going to go ahead and just continue knitting until I have made it to the end. And then I'm going to turn my work and work my purl stitches up until I get to those 3 stitches that I have joined with. So I have came up to the stitches where I have joined my yarn with, and I'm just going to treat those as 1 stitch, not 2 stitches, but just 1 stitch. And I'm going to go ahead and purl those stitches where I am doing a stockinette, or you can continue working in pattern, whatever your pattern is. So again, I'm just going to treat those 2 loops as 1 stitch. And that is how you do the overlapping join while knitting. Now you will want to weave in these ends once you are done. And this is what it looks like on the front side. And that is it for this tutorial. So you can't really see where that join is. And what's good about this is there is no knots in your project. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. I have many other knitting and crocheting tutorials if you would like to go check them out. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.